So as you can see on my screen right now, I have 6 clicks, and you're going to see that I have made $10.75. $10.75 divided by 6, that's going to give you $1.791 right here. So let's just say $1.7 dollars I actually made per click. The truth is that yes, you can make money per click, and I'm also going to be sharing different ways people use to make money per click. And mind you guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is something that I've worked out for me, and I'm here to share it with you. And I'm not guaranteeing you that after watching this video you start making money tomorrow or you start making money instantly. No, what I'm saying is that if you can pay attention and listen to what I have to share, you're going to learn something that's going to help you in your side hustle journey. And also do well to like this video, share this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so they can keep getting more content from me. Thank you very much if you've done that, and don't forget to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section below. There are so many ways you can start making money per click. Let me just talk about these 3 methods, and I'm going to elaborate more on one. Now, the first method you can actually make money per click is through tax earning platforms. And there are some platforms like PTC sites, right? PTC site, paid to click site, and GPT site. All these sites and apps are apps that actually allow you to do Microtask. You get rewarded after completing the task. It might be installing apps, it might be playing games, right? But how much can you earn from these apps? Well, some of them do pay well, which is true, but some of them don't really pay well at all. Some of them is just a waste of time because what you earn there will not take you anywhere. The second method right here, blogging. If you're a person that owns a website or you write blogs, right, and if you have a certain amount of blog posts on your site and you get to monetize your site, and you can start making money per click, which is still okay. Whenever people click on art on your page, you get paid per click. That is another way you can make money per click. Now, let's face it, blogging is being outdated. I'm going to tell you why. I know so many people are still doing it, but people that are doing blogging now are people that have already been doing it for a long time. The reason why I said blogging is outdated is because most people recently prefer AI. There's something they call AI mode on Google right now, which AI is going to summarize everything you want to know about that particular topic, and they give it to you, so you don't have to be scrolling. Because of that, traffics on blogs have reduced, so which means if you go into blogging now, it's going to take a lot of effort for you to even see something tangible. The third method, which is the method I want to talk about today, is called affiliate programs and affiliate marketing. So when people hear affiliate marketing, a lot of people tend to be very, very scared when they hear about affiliate marketing. But affiliate marketing is still one of the best ways you can use to make money online, especially in 2025. You can actually use AI to make affiliate marketing very, very simple. Now, don't get me wrong. To make money online is not easy. That's the truth. If anybody tell you that making money online is easy, that is actually a complete lie. Another challenge a lot of people face is for them to actually get different affiliate programs that work, or affiliate programs that work in their environment. So I took my time and I researched, and I found 3 platforms that can help you find different affiliate programs. And the first one I have here is called awin.com. Awin.com is a global platform that helps you find different affiliate programs. They connect brands to different promoters. Another platform I found out, this one is called impact.com, but for some reason I feel like impact.com is only available in the US. So if you're not from the US, you can use VPN. You can just use impact.com to search for different available affiliate programs, especially if you are based in the US or if you want to start promoting US based companies. So you can check out impact.com. Another platform that can help you get different affiliate program is called cj.com. Now, this is the one that actually accepted me to register, but although it has a little complication, this is the only one that accepted me to register. You can see they have over 1 billion plus monthly monthly users or something. So they connect you to different brands. You can see different brands or thousands of brands even that you can promote their product in different field. One all-inclusive, seamless global affiliate experience one great platform trusted by world largest brands. You can see Ibota is here. A lot of brands are here, so you can see a lot of brands that you don't know that they even have affiliate program. First thing I'm going to tell you to do is for you to identify what you are good at. Picking a niche is very, very important. So you have to pick a niche. So it can be sport, like I said earlier, it can be health and fitness, it can be pets, books, it can be anything. Just pick a niche. Is going to help you focus. Now, a lot of people are traveling by flight. Travel Start allows you to earn a commission once people book flight from them through your affiliate link. I just throw this in. The platform that paid me that money is called stakecut.com. So what you do on Stakecut, you promote digital products and you make money for yourself. So all what you have to do is just for you to sign up an account, which is very, very simple. After I set up an account, just come over here and you pick a product you want to start promoting. That's why I told you earlier, you have to pick up a niche. So if based on your niche, you can insert any product you want to talk about. I picked the product and I started promoting it, and I made $10.75. Now this is a possibility. This means that if I put more effort, there's potential, or there's earning potential in this particular platform. Now the problem most people have here is promotion. That is the problem most people have, because some people will say, you have a YouTube channel, you have WhatsApp groups, you have Telegram. Yes, that is true. I have a YouTube channel, I have Telegram groups, I have and WhatsApp groups also. That is true. But I don't think this can stop anybody from starting affiliate marketing, right? Now, the first thing I'm going to recommend for you to do is for you to change your mindset. Now, most people, the mindset most people have when they want to make money online is that they want money sharp. They want it now. They want everything now. First of all, change that mindset. Second mindset is for you to change your mindset from making money to helping people. Now, if you want to help people, you're going to make money in the process. People are going to trust you to buy from you. Now, the mistake people do is that once they copy the affiliate link, they start sharing it everywhere. If you do it like that, you will not be organized. You will not see good. Even if you see people to click on it and buy the product, you will not make good money from it, right? But if you are calm and you're organized, you can make good money from affiliate marketing. I told you guys I made over 700K from promoting an affiliate program, right, which is freebies. So what I did was that I made a video, I posted on social media, which is on TikTok, and that particular video went viral, over 1 million views, and I got a lot of affiliates on that particular platform through that single video. So that is another thing you need to use. Social media, it's very, very powerful. The funny thing is that all these social medias are free. You can start creating videos. Just pick a niche, be willing to help somebody. That niche, what you're talking about, should be helpful. Promoting a product should not feel like you're promoting that product, because if you're helping people, right, if you're helping people, when you talk about the product along the line, it shouldn't feel like you're promoting. People are looking for different side hustles, right? My work is to bring different side hustles. I help people to find different side hustles they can do with their smartphones from home to earn extra cash. That is a service I'm rendering to people. Now, along the line, I'm sharing affiliate links of different platforms that different people can go in there and earn extra cash for themselves. Now, I'm helping people, and in the process of me helping people, I'm also earning a commission through different affiliate programs. That's the mindset you should carry if you want to make money from affiliates. And remember, social media is one of the best places you can start promoting your content. It's as simple as that. So you can start creating videos today, and you can make more sales through that particular video. The second aspect is, if you don't like creating videos, you can start creating posts. Now, there's a difference between a video and a post. Facebook made it more easier that any post can go viral on Facebook. That is another way you can use to promote this product. Now, another way you can start promoting affiliate products is through having an email list. So I talked about email list some time ago. Some people did not take it serious. Email list is just like your own personal social media. Give your community value. In the process of the value, you promote your affiliate products and you make more sales. Now, that's another way you can decide to go. Remember, all this method takes time and it takes effort. The options I just gave you now, those options are for people that don't have money, just want to start with your phone and your internet connection. Those are the options you should go for. If you have a little bit amount of money, I'm going to recommend you run ads. Now, this is the easiest way and the fastest way to make sales. So what you should do, you should learn how to run ads that are going to convert. That's the first thing you should do. Now, you can actually use AI to create ads. It's as simple as ABC. A lot of people are doing it. Just go over to ChatGPT, you get a script from ChatGPT, put it into Nano Banana. Nano Banana will generate images for you. Take the images, put it into Google VO3 or use Sora AI that can create you good videos, high quality videos that you can use for your art. It is very, very simple, but it is not easy. Which method are you going to try? Is it number one, Microtask platforms that reward you for completing tasks, clicking on art and the rest, which will not be that much? Is it number two, going through blog post, creating a blog in 2025, which AI is almost taking over that particular industry? And number three, which is affiliate marketing. A lot of platforms and a lot of companies want people to buy their product, and the best way to do that is through affiliate marketing.